Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Hair Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieve this look. So here we go, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by Lavy Hair, and in the packaging I only received a wig cap for my goodies. And here we have Zoe. She is a 20-inch deep wave 13x4 frontal wig with the density of 180, and she came pre-plucked, and this is what you call a perfect hairline. You get me? This is fully on the natural side, you know, giving realistic, and this is how I love it. But anyway, inside you have 4 wig combs and adjustable straps. For my installment, I went ahead and bleached the knots, and right now I'm applying my foundation that matches my complexion. And for this video, it's gonna be an easy installment, like beginner friendly, no hairspray, no hair glue, just an easy fix and you're good to go. So I will be showing you a look with baby hair and without baby hair, so you know, pick a side type of behavior. But yeah, we are done. Yes, Zoe's about that simple life, you know, nice and cute and easy going, and that's how I like it. Anyway guys, if you are interested in her, I will link all her information down below. It will be a direct link. Also, I have a coupon code that you can use to get a discount whenever you're ordering. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos, you know. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.